Hello friends, I'm Saurabh Bhandari, entrepreneur, business coach, marketing expert and sales trainer. I welcome you all to my business channel where I will share with you the expert analysis. Yes, you heard it right, the expert analysis on the business news that matter you the most. In this edition, I will tell you the key untold reason why Facebook invested in Reliance Jio platform, a whooping 45,000 crore investment and a valuation of 65 billion US dollar only to get 9.9% stake in return. Remember, it's not the information or the news that usually matters, but it's the analysis. It's the impact of the news that should matter you the most. To you as an individual, to you as a business owner, or maybe to you as an employee or even as an investor. Let's begin with the rumors first. Now, there are many rumors that are going around that say that Facebook did this investment to become a super app like WeChat in China. Now, some say that it did this to get the consumer data from Jio network. Some even go on to say that Facebook did this to get the understanding of the consumer behavior by launching WhatsApp Pay with JioMart. But the big question is this really true? Is that the real big reason behind this investment, or there is a lot more untold? Watch this video till the end and I shall share the hidden reason behind this big investment by Facebook with facts, figures and logics. To beat the rumors, don't you think Facebook at the max needed few hundred crores or even lesser if it had to launch WhatsApp Pay independently like Google did for Google Pay? Considering it has WhatsApp installed in more than 400 million users in India and with a very high user traction. Today we all Indians use WhatsApp for literally everything and anything to communicate. Now, even if Facebook had to pay on an average rupees 100 per user as a cashback or something similar like Paytm or Google Pay do to initiate users to start transacting, it still would have not been more than 400 crores that they would have spent compared to 45,000 crore it spent to get only 9.9% stake in Jio platform. It's a point to deliberate. You know, some even go on to say that Facebook wants to get into grocery and retail with this investment. Yes, I don't deny that Reliance might actually get into online grocery with JioMart using this investment money. But again, think, if Facebook was really interested in what people are assuming about this interest, then don't you think Facebook could have gone ahead and bought the complete big basket which is available for $1 billion valuation? The biggest company in online grocery which has been there for last 7 years and is still valued only at around $1 billion. 1/4 of what Facebook invested to get 9.9% stake? Won't Facebook as an investor prefer 1 billion for 100% rather than spending 45,000 crores, 5.7 billion for just 10% stake in a company that is even yet to start this business from scratch? Now, to understand what Mark Zuckerberg really saw in business or in Reliance, one needs to develop an eye of a real entrepreneur. Now, this statement is especially for those employed in a job but want to start their entrepreneurship journey full time. Remember, my friend, if you are someone who wants to start this entrepreneurship journey, then this is the most important skill you need to develop: ability to see things what others are not able to visualize as a common man. And this is just one of the few frameworks and skills that I teach in my business program called Business Startup Incubator, a startup incubation program that I run especially for aspiring first generation entrepreneurs who want to quit their employment and start their business journey full time. Now, all the rumors that we discussed before might be the micro reasons for Facebook to invest in Reliance, but they are not the real ones. Let's now hear the real reason. The real reason is content and advertisement. Yes, you heard it right. Content and advertisement that led to Facebook invest in Jio platforms. A lot of you must be wondering, what am I talking? Watch this video carefully now, as the video is going to be very much number centric and logic driven. Please pay a lot of attention to the finer details that I'll be sharing in the video to understand the depth. Now, before we move further, let me first explain you the structure of Jio platforms, which has Jio Cinema at the center of it. In fact, it's a sleeping lion, a business, according to me, which is ready to explode after the deal. You also need to know the structure of Facebook. Facebook as a business currently does not create any content. It relies totally on user-generated content. Users like me and you create an unorganized or semi-organized content and float it on Facebook, Instagram or WhatsApp. Again, it's only us who get entertained after watching each other's content, which could be in the form of a post, a picture, a video or an update, and get entertained. But this was only till 2015, because until 2015 we had limited entertainment sources. We all had those television sets that pushed content at its own scheduled time and also for the duration that the channel wanted to. For example, I will have to wait till 9 p.m. to see my favorite serial, and that too I am allowed to watch only if others in the room also want to watch the same thing. The on-demand concept, the on-demand personalized content concept was totally missing. Now, as a user, I had very little control over the choice of entertainment I wanted to watch, and that too whenever I wanted to watch, whenever I had the free time to watch it. Then there were broadband issues. Smartphone with big screens was still gaining popularity. They were not cheap enough for every Indian to afford it. Now, then came a concept of a micro TV. Yes, you heard it right, a micro TV that everyone wanted to watch and get entertained. Though things were changing globally, but in India, people were still spending time only on apps like YouTube for watching on-demand content. But then came the year 2016, when Netflix entered India and entered with a bang. Post 2016, users started getting attracted to watch more avenues of entertainment like Amazon Prime or Netflix or Hotstar. Now consumers shifted his attention from Facebook to other mediums of entertainment, and that was not a good news for Facebook. In the rush of user-generated content, Facebook totally missed the bus of entering organized content. Today, Netflix, with less than 180 million paying subscribers globally, is already valued at 202 billion US dollars. Now, Facebook, with 5 times the size of subscriber base when it comes to Netflix, is only 2 times when it comes to valuation. Facebook undoubtedly has deep expertise to build consumer tech, but what about the content? It already knows that it's too late to enter from scratch. Considering Reliance expertise in content that comes from the earlier acquisitions of Network 18 set of news and entertainment channels like CNBC, CNN, Color, MTV, etc. And with Reliance sizable investment in Ekta Kapoor's Alt Bajaj, Facebook thought it's better to invest in Reliance rather than going solo. You have to understand, Facebook earns only from advertisements, which comes only if more people are spending time on its platform. Considering Netflix, Amazon Prime or even Hotstar are all American companies, Facebook knew that it did not have a chance to invest in any of these, and Reliance looked as the best, maybe the only possible bet that they had to enter the organized content. Today, Hotstar in India has 300 million active subscribers and over 2 million paid subscribers. Amazon and Netflix has 13 to 10 million subscribers in India. If we compare that to 400 million WhatsApp subscribers, over 380 million Jio subscribers, 125 million 4G Airtel subscribers and 115 million 4G Vodafone subscribers, current penetration of paid subscribers looks very small. With over 70 crore population above 16 years of age and less than 65, India is the most promising entertainment market. Now, even if 90% of the population spends only 10 rupees per month, imagine what's the market size. That's 630 crores per month and more than 1.5 billion per year. And we all know that Reliance not only believes but also has the expertise of eating 50% of whichever market it enters. Now with WhatsApp acting as a super app, it will give the window of entertainment to use via Jio Cinema. Mukesh Ambani follows the strategy from his father, Shri late Dhirubhai Ambani, whose strategy was to enter businesses which only offered very high volume. He believed provide high quality product and services but keep the price lowest so that we reach the maximum scale in shortest possible time. I have also made a video on winning strategies of Shri late Dhirubhai Ambani and you can watch it on my YouTube channel. I have shared the link in description. So by clubbing with Reliance, Facebook is assured of being part of the advertisement journey in space of this organized content. It doesn't matter to Facebook if it's through a subscription model or through advertisement model. Facebook wants to be everywhere. A user spends time to entertain, whether it's Instagram or it's WhatsApp or tomorrow it will be Jio Cinema. Facebook wants to be everywhere. Now I again repeat, it's a skill to develop the eye of an entrepreneur. The eye of an entrepreneur who can visualize the future, visualize something what others are not able to visualize. Stay connected with me for more such powerful content in the coming future. Hit the like and subscribe button if you're watching this content on YouTube. And if you are on Facebook, then please like and follow my page to get updated whenever I release such content. Please do comment in the section below about your opinion on the video and any business topic that you want me to cover. Any questions, any doubt, anything, and I'll be happy to connect with you. I read and personally answer all the comments, so please feel free to comment. Do share this content on WhatsApp or on your Facebook wall or the groups wherever you're connected with everyone in your circle who loves following business, because sharing is caring. Thank you. Jai Hind.